Hello there, audience. Are you familiar with castor oil? It is well liked throughout many cultures. Its incredible health advantages are the reason for all of this. Castor oil is safe to apply on your skin, hair, and face. Some people advise using it right before bed. However, do the results that people raving about actually occur? In today's video, we'll talk about this specific topic. Does it really function as a laxative? Is castor oil able to hydrate you? Is it truly possible to use it for cleaning and storing dentures? All of these and more will be topics of discussion. Let's begin with this amusing little fact. Are you experiencing problems using the restroom? We all occasionally do, so don't be afraid. A laxative found in nature is castor oil. That's correct. Castor oil can provide significant relief if you're suffering from constipation and having problems passing gas. Numerous individuals support this. Professionals have even given it the go-ahead to be used as a stimulative laxative. In essence, a stimulative laxative increases the activity of the muscles that force food through your intestines. This facilitates bowel movement. These are the laxatives that individuals take when they need to alleviate a brief constipation or when they need to go to the bathroom before a medical treatment. Castor oil is ingested. Your body breaks down castor oil when you consume it, releasing ricinoleic acid into your small intestine. Your gut absorbs this acid, which has a laxative effect. Castor oil's laxative properties have been demonstrated by several investigations. Castor oil use was found to help lessen the symptoms of constipation in an older adult research. It also makes sure that you don't have painful bowel motions. In a different study, it was shown that castor oil also assisted patients in loosening their intestines in preparation for medical procedures like colonoscopies. However, there's something you should know before you grab the first bottle of castor oil you find in your pantry. Castor oil can improve your bowel movements, but only if you take it sparingly. That is really significant. You might get cramps, diarrhea, and nausea if you take too much. Furthermore, you should not use castor oil as a therapy for any chronic health conditions. What should you consume to aid with your bowel motions if it's not castor oil? You can rely on kefir and yogurt, though. They include probiotics, which are microorganisms. These beneficial bacteria help soften stools and are helpful for your stomach. Additionally, you might try eating clear soup and pulses. They give moisture to stiff, bulky stools and are easy to digest. They are also highly nutritious. Nutrients found in pulses are excellent for relieving constipation. Are you curious as to what they are? These are vitamin B6, potassium, zinc, and folate. Have you had enough of dry skin? Your skin gets dry after a few hours, no matter how many creams and lotions you apply. It's the worst sensation ever, especially if you're itching to go out. You sense that others are observing you. Castor oil is your best buddy in the situation. It is a natural moisturizer that may be used. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that is good for hydrating skin. They ensure that the outermost layer of your skin does not lose any water. Castor oil is a common component used in many cosmetic treatments intended for hydrating skin. However, if you want to moisturize, you don't actually need to utilize goods from the shop. You may simply use castor oil straight instead. By doing this, you can stay away from any additional dangerous substances that these products may include, which might irritate your skin and cause more harm than good. Not only would castor oil lessen your exposure to these dangerous substances, but it would also save you a ton of money because it is far less expensive. On keep your skin hydrated, you may use this oil on your face in addition to the rest of your body. Castor oil is often combined with oils that are better for your skin, such almond and coconut oil. This is because castor oil is thick and may make a very moisturizing moisturizer when combined with other oils. Do a patch test first, though, before you go on the castor oil bandwagon. Some people may experience allergic responses when using castor oil. It's advisable to try it on a small area of your skin first. It may be the back of your hand, for example. Castor oil has amazing skin benefits. So amazing, you'll be taken aback to learn about the next advantage. Do you have trouble falling asleep at night? Like constipation, this is something that we might all experience occasionally. It turns out that those who have insomnia might also benefit from castor oil. This sleep problem is widespread and impacts a multitude of individuals. People who suffer from insomnia find it difficult to go asleep. It's difficult for them to stay asleep if they do eventually nod off. It's quite difficult for them to fall back asleep once they wake up. They are worn out and lethargic for most of the next day as a result. Anyone who has dealt with this understands that it may hinder productivity and have an impact on how well you perform at work. Your entire life is affected by this in a negative way. As a result, many start taking medicine to address their irregular sleeping patterns. The issue here is that it's simple for patients to abuse their medications, which for some can result in addiction and misuse. It seems nearly hopeless if the medications don't work. If you're having trouble falling asleep, castor oil may be an excellent substitute. A minimal amount of it can be used. It's quite easy. Just apply some castor oil on your eyelids before turning in for the night. You'll be able to unwind and sleep much more easily as a result. Castor oil is an excellent sedative. However, I understand that some of you may not find the concept of applying unusual oil to your eyelids and leaving it there appealing. Try aromatherapy if that is the case. You might feel calmer and more in control when you use essential oils. It is much easier to sleep after this. Or you can use castor oil as a carrier oil and mix whatever essential oil you have with it. Massage it on your temples. You'll feel relaxed and ready to go to sleep. Peppermint, lavender, and damask rose are great essential oil fragrances to go with your castor oil. It's beneficial to understand how different meals and chemicals affect your body. You ought to be aware of the plethora of others that exist. Shall we watch a few more relevant videos? What you should know is as follows. Take a look at the effects of consuming garlic on your body on a daily basis. What about the effects of sleeping on your body? Click one now, please. Better yet, watch both of them. Find out more about maintaining your health. Let us know in the comments below.